Hey folks, this is Mark with Inbound Revenue. In this episode of Google Ads Essentials, we're going to talk about setting up audience segments as part of your campaign build, how to set them up, why you'll set them up, and how not to set them up. One thing I'm going to touch on quickly, just because it's an issue that comes up from time to time. By default, you're typically going to be set to English in the US for your language in here. It's perfectly fine to change that to all languages. Lots of people have their browsers set up to their particular language. That is a perfectly acceptable solution, is to change that to all languages. You might get a little more reach that way. Now let's talk about audience segments. Audience segments are something that allows you to come back later and see if there are particular segments of your audience, different audiences that Google allows you to take a look at that may perform better and potentially make bid adjustments down the road. The most important thing when it comes to your audience segments is this is interesting data. It's data you can add to your campaign. It may help you optimize later, but what you don't want to do is target these audiences, because when you target an audience, then it's going to limit your search visibility to people in these audiences. What we want to do is set these to observation, and then later on we can come back down the road and see if any of them are interesting to us. You can simply go the easy route, select all 22 automatically, or you can go through and look at the different types of audiences that they have here, find the ones that would be most relevant, in your opinion, to the service that you're promoting. Let's say general contracting and remodeling services, that might be a common one. So travel might be common, just whatever is relevant. If you're in, real estate, there's one for financial services. So you can select these audiences in advance, something you come back later and do bid adjustments. If you find that these audiences are performing particularly well, there's ways to go in and see the performance of the campaign for these audiences later. The important thing to note is you don't have to select any audiences. It's a nice optimization trick to have in your back pocket for later that might be useful. But if you do set audiences, always set them to observation. If you set them to targeting, you'll notice that you have almost no search volume typically for your campaign, and you're probably going to eliminate a lot of potential leads that you would receive. If you like this video, if you have questions, please drop a comment below, subscribe to the channel. Feel free to reach out and find me on Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. I'm Mark with Inbound Revenue.